What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Airborne in the house, dropping you guys the latest and greatest cryptocurrency news and updates. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a market overview, and I'm also going to be talking about the Twitter CEO stepping down, and then last, I'm going to be talking about another company purchasing a bunch of Bitcoin. If that sounds good to you guys, stick around. I'll tell you guys all about it. All right, guys, hopefully you're having a great Monday. I sure am. Market's looking good. But before we jump into the market overview, I want you guys to go ahead onto Twitter and follow me if you aren't already following me at crypto_airborne. That's where I do all my latest and greatest updates on there before I make a YouTube video. So you definitely want to go check me out on there. Go subscribe, turn on bell notifications if you don't already, so you get all the latest updates and videos as soon as I upload them. So really appreciate it, guys. Just hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. So really appreciate it. Couldn't do it without you guys. All right, jumping into the market overview. Market is up 6.07% the last 24 hours. We got Bitcoin sitting at about $58,314. We got Ethereum up 6.22%, sitting at about $4,445. We got Binance Coin up 4.20%, that is $623.90. Solana's up 5%. Cardano's up 4.56%, sitting at $1.62. Top gainers, we have FX up 45%. We've got Cody up 20.69%. Tezos is up about 20%. But yeah, market's looking good, pretty green. So that's good to see. We did have some losers the last 24 hours. Top losers are DDX down 32%, sitting at $8. Trill's down 18%, sitting at $2.10. And Request is down 11.89%, sitting at about 48 cents. But yeah, not much down, but just a couple that were down, you know, a lot more than the other coins. Today is November 29th, 2021, and the holidays we have for today is Chadwick Boseman Day, Cyber Monday. You guys get any deals? I bought a new power supply for my HS boxes that I have coming. So that's good, from Best Buy. I made a tweet about it. Go check it out if you guys want. I think it's $50 off at Best Buy. It's also National Lemon Cream Pie Day and International Day of Solidarity with the Palestinian people. So that's your national holidays for November 29th. Jumping over to Crypto Bubbles, top 100 coins. Everything's looking green. Love it. Let's go to my favorites. I'm not going to go through everything. Yeah, AVAX is up. Voyager's crushing it, up 5.7%. It's at $4.28. StormX is up about 6%. Sia Coin's up 5.7%. HBAR's up 4.8%. Where is, let me see, CKB's up 1.1%, sitting at 0.0311. So that's my favorites. Let's jump on over to the total crypto market cap. Jumping up from that dip we had yesterday, so that's good. We're at about $2.59 trillion, plus or minus, depending on where you look. TradingView always has it a little less than when you look at CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. So I like looking at this just as a general overall health of the entire market. Bitcoin Crypto Fear and Greed Index. Yesterday we were at a 27 fear, to now we're at a 33 fear, and it updates in about 2 hours and 30 minutes. I'm gonna guess we're probably up, since it's been overall green day. I'm gonna guess we're at about a 40. Maybe still fear, but potentially neutral. So that's my guess for the Fear and Greed Index. Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. Jumping over to the Bitcoin dominance. Still on a downward trend since the 19th of October. We dipped all the way down to the 6th November. We popped up, went sideways a little bit, dipped down a little bit, but looks like we're just going sideways. Currently sitting at about 42.56. All right, jumping into today's news topics of discussion. You guys probably already heard this. I'm just going to cover it real quick and tell you my thoughts. But if you haven't heard, Jack Dorsey has stepped down as Twitter CEO. The twice-serving CEO said his departure was due to the company being ready to move on from its founders. Dorsey has not announced any future plans, although there is some things that people are speculating that he might be doing after this. Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey has resigned from his position at the social media firm after serving for more than 6 years. He announced that the company's board of directors has appointed Twitter Chief Technology Officer and board member Parag Agrawal to replace Dorsey starting today. Dorsey said his decision to step down was based on the board's approval of Agrawal, board member Brett Taylor agreeing to be the new chair, and the opportunities for upward mobility for other Twitter team members. So it looks like he Tweeted out this morning about 9:45 a.m. on Twitter. Not sure anyone has heard, but I resigned from Twitter. It looks like he served Twitter CEO from 2006 to 2008, and then later from 2015, following departure of Dick Castillo. It's unclear if Dorsey plans to leave the social media firm behind the focus on operations at Square and this platform's initiative to develop a decentralized Bitcoin exchange. So yeah, I've been reading around different news articles and whatnot, doing some research, and it just seems like Jack's been, on the back burner with Twitter. He hasn't really had all of his focus and attention on it. It's been more so for like Square and then this upcoming Bitcoin exchange that he wants to start. So on November 19th, so about 10 days ago, the decentralized exchange project called TBDEX released a white paper detailing its plans to create a message protocol designed to facilitate trust relationships without relying on a federation to control access. So my thoughts on this, I've never been a big fan of Twitter, especially since all the politics and the political stuff. But earlier this year, I decided to hop back on because of the crypto bull market and whatnot. So pretty much my whole news feed's all, crypto Twitter and whatnot. But yeah, I don't know how I feel about this. I'm kind of neutral. I think, and this is my opinion, don't take it, personal or whatever, but I think that he's trying to move on to the crypto space, with them adding all the Bitcoin this past year and whatnot, and he wants to be everything decentralized. I think he kind of lost touch of the control with Twitter and being the CEO there. He didn't really have much control. So who knows where Twitter's going to go moving forward? Is it going to censor us even more? It may not. You don't know. But yeah, who knows? But I'm interested in checking out this TBDEX. So I'm thinking that's what he's going to do next is, move on to this project. So, but yeah, that's just my thoughts on that. Let's jump over to the next topic of discussion. We've got Microstrategy. If you guys haven't heard about them, they're just buying up Bitcoin left and right on all these dips, but they purchased $414.4 million worth of Bitcoin with a total Bitcoin balance eclipsing 3.5 million. Wow. So Michael Saylor, CEO of enterprise data analytics company Microstrategy, announced earlier this morning that they purchased an additional 7,002 Bitcoin, just like that, worth $414.4 million at an average price of $59,187. MicroStrategy sold 571,001 shares of company stock between October 1st and November 29th at 732.16 apiece for $414.4 million cash. It looks like they used these cash reserves to buy the Bitcoin. As of Monday, the company now owns 121,044 Bitcoin worth $3.57 billion. It's acquired at an average price of $29,534 per coin and included capital appreciation from previous coins. So man, they're just loading up left and right. I think this is going to be huge for this company. They knew it from the beginning. Michael Saylor, he's a good guy, like following him. He's always real outspoken in the Bitcoin world. So yeah, I just thought I'd bring this to your guys' attention if you haven't heard. MicroStrategy purchasing more Bitcoin. But that's all I have for you guys today. A reminder, I am interviewing Vanessa Harris, the Chief Product Officer of Permission.io, tonight at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard. So make sure you guys check it out. We're just going to talk all things crypto, talk about her company that she works for, and, whatever else happens to come up in conversation. So check that out if you guys want to watch that tonight and you watch this video. If not, you can watch it, at a later time. Also, go follow me on Twitter at @crypto_airborne. That's where I put all my, daily news and updates, real time, pretty much. So follow me on there. And also, if you don't already follow me on YouTube, go subscribe, hit that bell notification, and yeah, just follow me on there. Really appreciate all the support, guys. Hope you guys have a great Monday. Crypto Airborne out. Have a good one, everybody.